Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great to be doing another video for you guys. So yes guys, so basically today guys, what I'll do, I will be doing some cash out today also, because remember guys, I told you basically what I do on the channel, I share with you guys how I basically earn online, and you guys know that I cash out basically every day, whether it be cryptocurrency, PayPal money, gift cards. So yes guys, with that said, I do earn. So I earn with heels on my cryptocurrency. I earn with yields like buying GIC and stuff like that. So on my money, I also have I interest saving account, which I do earn also on, and I also invest in dividend stocks and also growth stocks. So yes guys, so basically what I'm doing, I'm sharing with you guys basically how I do it. So yes guys, so if you're new to my channel guys, go on ahead and click that subscribe button, and also to give me that like button. So yes guys, so let's get straight into the value. So before we go ahead and start the sharing with you guys what I want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my PayPal account, and then I'm gonna go ahead and discuss a little bit about what has been going on. So as you guys can see that my PayPal account is basically in cents. I did go ahead and transfer over so let me go. So you can see I transfer over some money. So I transfer 24 dollars and 83 cents, and I also go ahead and transfer $34.95. That's basically around uh approximately $60. It's not like, it's about $60. Yeah, so it's about $60. So yeah, so yes guys, $60 and something cents, maybe $6.05 or so. So yes guys, so the thing that I want to say is the reason why I decided to cash out, because as I said before, I invest in stocks and the stock market has been pulling back. So what I did, I saw some stocks that I have in my portfolio that are basically going down in value. So I see that as an opportunity where I am buying it less than I did. And remember, guys, as an investor, that's a really great deal to see prices less than you buy it before. So you can go ahead and pick up more shares. So you can go ahead and have better returns in the future. So yes, guys. So I did take out that to do that. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use the $34 to buy up some stocks, and I'm gonna use the $24 and go ahead and put in my interest saving account. So with that account, I basically use um EQ Bank. I will leave the links to all apps that I talk about in the description down below. So yes guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys what I personally do. So yes guys, and then after that I will just leave that. So basically with a interest saving account, it's easy to take out your money. It's just like a regular account, but the thing with it is that you are earning more than a regular saving account. So yes guys, so there is this thing that I have just like that I wanted to just say. So let me go ahead and say it. So you know how sometimes guys, basically I'm gonna go ahead and cash out some earnings now. So I'm gonna cash out some cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna cash out some Litecoins from the um the Freecash account. So you know how um most individuals will say that whenever you see someone in where a position where you want to be, like let's say you see somebody is in a financial spot where you like to be, normally people would say that you need to get their blueprint and you need to do exactly what they do. I kind of differ from that. I don't agree with that 100%. Meaning being, the Bible says that if the blind shall lead the blind, then the both shall fall into the ditch. Sometimes a person can be saying what they do. Like, I understand that there is a cycle. There, like, life is a cycle. It goes round and round. The stock market or the cryptocurrency market or all these market, they're also cycle too. They have a cycle that they go around. So sometimes, when you maybe say you enter into the market at it, if you don't really have the knowledge and have the understanding, if you enter in the stock market or the cryptocurrency market um at it at different time in the cycle that you're not expecting, you're gonna see your portfolio fall, and then you're gonna say, oh, you shouldn't have gone in. But it's just the cycle that you're in. They're different cycle. That's why for me personally, I dollar cost averaging. Even trading, I really don't do day trading. I do swing trading. So swing trading is basically when you go ahead, and so this is what I've been cashing out, like in Litecoin. So yes, guys, something happened, so maybe I wait too long. So let's do it again. Okay, so it's gonna go through. I have to wait 30 seconds and then I come. So I'm gonna come back. So the next app that I'm gonna go into is called the Bling Financial. So with these apps, they basically let you earn a cryptocurrency, which is the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, and you can also cash out PayPal money. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cash out some PayPal money. So yes, guys. So I'm waiting for it to load. So yes, so what I've been saying, so what I'm saying is that, guys, depending on the cycle. So it, whenever you're gonna what I want to say is, whenever you're gonna do something, guys, you need to get that knowledge first. When you understand how everything works, then it's gonna be super easy for you, all of it. And I'm gonna cash out. So yeah, so that's basically it is. So basically I'm gonna get 3 cents US. So yes, guys, so what I do, I like to just leave a note. So I'm just gonna leave a note. So yes, so yes, guys, so basically what I want to say is just that yeah, there are different cycle. So depending on um where you are in the cycle, you're gonna see different stuff. So basically, guys, that was how I cash out some paper and money from Bling Financial. So yeah, so if you're interested in how to use this, these app don't come with referral link. So what I'll do, I'll link a video to how you're able. I have a video on my channel where I discuss basically how you're able to just go ahead and start earning with the Bling Financial app. So yes, guys, so yeah, so for me personally, I think we're in the bear market. So if you're in a bear market, guys, I think is the best time to accumulate. So that is the reason why on a daily basics I'm basically just stacking up on my cryptocurrencies. So yes, guys, when the bull market comes, meaning when the price starts going up, the best thing to do is sell. And I want to explain that to you guys a little bit. So on a chart, there's something called a pivot, and the pivot is basically where the market is going in one direction and decided to go the other direction. So that, if you draw a trend line on that, it maybe look like a triangle for a a up and a down pivot, or a V for a down and a up pivot, for a up and a down pivot. Ah, yeah, I no, I didn't say that properly. So there's two, a pivot is basically when the market is going one direction, so it may be going up and decides to start going down. So the peak at the top right there, where you can draw like a triangle, that's the pivot. And let's say the market is going down and decides to goes up now, the point at the bottom, that's the pivot. So that's the V one, and then you have the triangle one. So that's what I'm saying, right? So yes guys, so what I am saying is, guys, for me personally, what I do, let's say we are in a down pivot. So the down pivot is basically when the stock has been going up, then decides to just come down a little bit. So it maybe look like a little oak or a little a little L, like that. That's the time basically I go ahead and, for good quality stocks or cryptocurrency, not just any stocks or any cryptocurrency, right? For good quality stocks and cryptocurrency, that's when I go ahead and start dollar cost averaging back into that app, into that stocks rather. So I basically start picking up some more. What's going on here? What's going on here? They keep I don't understand. So I have the this here, right? And okay, so cryptocurrency orders and a new, okay, so they have a new withdrawal rule now. So basically no, that's an old rule. So why they not letting me cash out? Okay guys, so basically I am not able to cash out these earnings today. So the next app that I want to go into is called the Justplay app. So basically in the Justplay app, what I do, I don't have a link to, they don't have a referral link, so but I have a video, so I'll leave that video in the description down below. I know I leave it at the top, so you're able to see that video, so you're able to know where to go if you're interested. Okay, so in the Justplay app, basically what you do, this is the cash out section. You want to go ahead and just open the app, and then you're gonna see different games where you're able to play. So yes guys, so by playing these games you go ahead and earn points. And as you guys can see at the top where it says points, so basically what it says is reach the loyalty points goal before the timer ends. So basically, let's say you start, so you're at 0 here and you start, you want to go to the goal. If not, you're basically, and the times are run out, you won't be losing on points, but it's just they calculate it a little bit different. I'm not really understanding it, but what I do, once I start it, I try to go to the end of the timer. So let's say I start playing the game, I look what the target that they want me to reach, and the target is 200 no 2100,000. So yeah, so 21, no, that's not 21, that's 210, yeah, 210,000, yeah. So at 210,000, so they basically want you to earn 210,000 for just playing the game that you're playing before the timer runs out. So yeah, so that's basically what I do. Whatever they say, it must be a reason why they say it, so I just basically go ahead and do what they say. And as you guys can see, I've been earning. So if I go to the cash out section and I go to the rewards, you guys can see that I've been earning. So you can see that I basically have a payout of $2.03, and then $2 and 30 5 cents. So that's about $4 and 38 cents. I earned that in about so I earned that in about, I think, just in last month to this month I earned those. Yeah. And what I realized is, I don't know, at sometimes money making apps like the gaming apps, sometimes they will be paying you so low, and then afterwards they're just paying you so much. Like sometimes you can't really know, you don't know, you just realize that you're earning more all of a sudden. So that's what happens. So that's why I'm able to earn more, because the reason why you can see that it says 5 minutes and 55. So yeah, and this one says 5 minutes and 46. If I can zoom, I cannot zoom to show you. And you can see all the rest, it takes me like 15 minutes here, it takes me 14, 17, even 20 minutes, even 22 minutes here. So that's what I'm saying. Like sometimes you'll be earn the same, you're doing the same exact thing, and you're just earning less sometimes, or sometimes you're earning so much more. But as they say, they have a timer. So if you just follow the rules, that's no problem. So guys, this is the end of the video. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So yes guys, so before I go guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.